Hello everyone, friends. This is the Weiler channel. Today I'll show you how to download Skyblock in Minecraft. Open any browser and search for Skyblock. Click on download. Let's click download Skyblock version 2.1 for example. Okay, click download. Now we have a zip file downloading. Next we need to click start or run. Type %appdata %. Oops. Click OK. Here, click on Minecraft, then Saves. Open this archive and transfer our Skyblock here. After that, it will appear in your worlds in Minecraft. That's all. This was Weiler with you. Goodbye, everyone.